Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been struggling with stubborn blackheads and clogged pores, you're not alone. Today we're diving into a product that promises to give you a clearer complexion with minimal effort, the Bioré Nose+Face Blackhead Remover Strips. Whether you have blackheads on your nose, chin, or forehead, these strips claim to provide an instant fix. But do they really work as advertised? Let's find out. Before we get into the details, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review like this one. Bioré is a trusted brand when it comes to clearing up skin issues like blackheads. These strips are designed specifically for the nose, chin, and forehead, where blackheads and clogged pores are most likely to form. In this 14-count package, you get both nose strips and face strips, offering a comprehensive approach to target those problem areas. The key technology here is Bioré's patented C-bond tech, which is supposed to adhere to blackheads, lifting them out without pulling on your delicate skin. Sounds pretty good, right? Now, let's talk about my experience using these strips. I applied the nose strip first, making sure my skin was wet as per the instructions. The strip adhered easily to my skin, and after waiting for 10 minutes, I peeled it off. The sensation was pretty painless, no harsh tugging, which I've experienced with some other strips in the past. And when I looked at the strip, I could actually see the blackheads that had been pulled out. Same story with the forehead and chin strips. They worked just as effectively in clearing out the pores. It felt refreshing, and I could see the difference right away. But let's break down the pros and cons here. On the positive side, the strips are incredibly easy to use, and the results are almost immediate. I could visibly see my pores looking smaller, which is a huge win. The patented C-bond technology really delivers on its promise, sticking to the blackheads and not my skin, which makes the process painless. These strips are also non-comedogenic, which means they won't clog pores or cause breakouts. Great news for sensitive skin types like mine. On the flip side, these strips are a bit of a one-time fix. While they're great for instant results, they don't offer a long-term solution. If you're looking for something more permanent, you might need to incorporate other products into your skincare routine, like exfoliants or a more consistent cleansing regimen. And although these strips work well for spot treatment, they may not be the best option for those with extensive blackhead issues across the entire face. As for value, at around $10 for the pack, I think it's reasonable. You're getting 14 strips, which should last you a while. Considering the effectiveness and the brand's reputation, I'd say it's a fair price for the performance. Of course, there are cheaper alternatives on the market, but Bioré's reputation for delivering results with minimal fuss puts it ahead of most others in this category. Now, if you're looking for alternatives that provide similar value, you could consider brands like Beautyistic or Neutrogena, which also offer pore strips that deliver comparable results. But honestly, Bioré is still one of the most reliable options out there, and I personally prefer the convenience and effectiveness of these strips. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but sturdy, and the strips feel premium. The perforation on the strips ensures they fit easily on the targeted areas of the face, making application a breeze. As for longevity, I've used these strips for about a week now, and while they give immediate results, I haven't seen any signs of irritation or worsening of my skin, which is a good sign for long-term use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Bioré's customer service is generally known to be responsive and helpful if you ever encounter any issues with their products. While I haven't had to contact them directly for this particular product, I've heard great things about their team's willingness to assist with any concerns. Looking at the product as a whole, I'd say it does live up to its claims. The Bioré Nose+Face Blackhead Remover Strips offer an immediate solution to blackhead problems and can help reduce pore size with regular use. I'd recommend this to anyone who needs a quick and painless fix for blackheads, but understands that this is more of a temporary solution rather than a permanent one. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used these blackhead remover strips, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And of course, the link to purchase will be in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.